we're at the farm today. We moved the brown Ford over there. I don't know how long my battery is going to last on my camera. I didn't charge it. So I videotaped the combine. We're all done harvesting corn. So I thought we'd do a cold start on the brown Ford diesel if it'll start. I don't know. We did not remove the batteries. I forgot about that. I said in the last video that we removed the batteries. We did not do that. So we're gonna see if it starts. I think it's got a bad battery. So if it does start, hallelujah, I can drive it around. If it doesn't start, then I guess it won't start. Okay. It's got a weak battery. Half throttle, go. Oh, really? No. Piece of shit. Fucker. Well, battery shot. Take two in a minute here. I think this battery shot here. Look at the battery end. Look at how black it is. It was loose. These are all loose. That battery end isn't too good. The belt is not even on there at all. I think I'll have to get the jump pack, but I'll try it again, but I don't think it's going to start. I doubt it. I'm going to have to get the jump pack. Yeah, I'll be right back. I don't know. Take 50 million. Let's check the oil here first. I don't really check oil, I should. It's down a quart. Oh well. Take 50 million. It's not because it's a Ford, it's because of the batteries are shit in this thing. Okay. Oh, don't look good. I already know it's not gonna go. It's not. Battery voltmeter. Doesn't do nothing now. Don't do nothing. Something's wrong with it. I've never seen anything in my life that never starts. It's not making a good ground here or something here. Yeah, it won't do nothing. That can't be right. Something's not right, working right here. It should be starting instantly. Took that battery out, and I know this is gonna work, but heck, try it. Take 5 million. I don't know if the battery connection's bad or what. I don't really know what's going on here. The other battery's shot. Fuck it. Forget it. It's a Ford. It won't start. Jesus. Worthless piece of shit. There you go. Alright. Well, I'm going to pull the batteries out anyway this year. It's probably parked in a good spot this winter. Oh well. There you go. Rest in peace. Brand new batteries in there. 2 brand new batteries for $200 and they didn't even last a year. Sweet. Good old batteries nowadays.